Want more time for yourself? Here's how to manage a busy schedule without burning out. Hey everyone, Metscher here. If you're feeling like there's just not enough time left for you between work and family and everything else, listen up. You can have a busy schedule and find time for yourself. The key is managing that schedule in a way that doesn't leave you exhausted by the end of the week. Today, I'm sharing 3 strategies that should help you stay productive, protect your energy, and make time for what matters to you. These are real world tactics backed by research that's worked wonders for my clients and for myself too. So number 1, use the energy audit to understand where your time goes. So let's start with an energy audit. Before we even talk about productivity, we need to understand where you're spending your time and energy. I want you to track your activity daily for a week, what energizes you and what drains you. A study from the Harvard Business Review found that people who regularly assess how they spend their time are better able to make changes that lead to increased productivity and well-being. I had a client who was always on the edge of burnout. We went through his calendar and we realized most of his energy was being drained by endless meetings that could have been emails. He cut back, he delegated, and suddenly he had more time to himself. Time he didn't even know that he had. By identifying what energizes you and what doesn't, you're taking the first step to reclaim your time. Number 2, schedule non-negotiable time for yourself first. Now, this step is crucial. Scheduling time for yourself before anything else. These are what I call non-negotiables. If you don't protect your time, no one else will. Research by Stanford University shows that scheduling personal time actually boosts productivity because it gives you the brain break, it lowers stress, and it improves focus. For example, I have a strict morning routine that's a non-negotiable. I get up, I have my workout, I spend 20 minutes reading and reflecting before the day kicks off. This is my time and it sets a tone for the entire day. No matter how busy my day is, I protect those early hours. It's not selfish, it's necessary. Because when you're at your best, you can show up better for everyone else too. Take a look at your week and find pockets for your non-negotiable activities, whether it's an exercise, whether it's a walk, journaling, 30 minutes of downtime. Put that on your calendar like you would a meeting and don't cancel it. Number 3, embrace the power of saying no with confidence. Here is the reality. Sometimes you have to say no to create space for yourself. It's not easy, but it's essential. According to a study by the University of California, people who struggle to say no are more likely to experience burnout because they overcommit. Learning to say no without guilt is a superpower for managing a packed schedule. A client of mine had a habit of saying yes to every opportunity, every meeting, every extra project, but he was burning out fast. I challenged him to start saying no to at least one non-essential task every week. At first, it was uncomfortable, but soon he started to see the benefits, more time for meaningful work, his family, and himself. Saying no isn't selfish, it's strategic. You're protecting your energy for what truly matters. Ask yourself, what can you cut back on, delegate, or simply say no to this week? So let's recap. Start with an energy audit to see where your time and energy go. Schedule non-negotiable time for yourself, and don't be afraid to say no when necessary. Managing a busy schedule without burning out is actually possible. It just takes a few shifts in your approach in your day. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who's always feeling overwhelmed, and drop a comment on which strategy you're going to try first. Remember, you deserve time for yourself. Let's make it happen.